Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. So in this video I am going to show you this type of wooden curved facade. So these are the wooden curved facade I am showing you. So you can learn easily and you can create easily in Revit architecture software. Okay, so in the previous videos I have shown you how to create this modern wooden stair and how to create this curved facade and how to create this wooden log wall and many more. Okay, so if you have not watched those videos, you can just click in my description box, you will get those videos. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get my new videos updates. Okay, so if you subscribe my channel, it will be motivated for me to update new advanced videos related to Revit architecture software. Okay, so let's start. We will begin this creating a wooden curved facade. So here I have multi-story building. So in this multi-story building we will create this curved facade in this elevation. So if you go to level 1, so we have the east, west and north, south elevation. So we can create the elevation, we can create this curved facade in this south elevation. Okay, so to create this south elevation, we will create first we have planes. So first we will create a reference planes. So we need to create different profiles here as portrayed in this picture. So we have to create these curves. So let me show those curves. So these curves we can create. Okay, so we'll create reference planes here first. So to create reference plane, we need to go to level 1. So just go to level 1. Here we have in architecture, we have reference plane. So click on this reference plane and create a reference plane. So here I will create 4 reference planes. You can create how much ever you want. Okay, first what I will do, I will create here, so reference plane 1. So I will just rename this as 1, and then second reference plane I will create randomly. Then I am going to give the dimension. This is reference 2 and this is reference 3, and here I will create reference 4. Okay, sorry, reference 4. So here I have created. So we need to give some equidistance here. To give equidistance, what you need to do, you just give dimension. To give dimension, you can go to annotate and you can create a dimension. You can give dimensions here. So or else you can just type DI. You just type DI for dimensions and just click these 4, select these 4 reference planes. Then here you have EQ of button. Okay, you just click on that, it will be equally spaced. Okay, so once you create these reference planes, just I will go to 3D elevation here. So 3D view, sorry. So now you need to create different profiles. To create those profiles, you need to go to massing and site. Just go to massing and site, then you need to go to in place mass. So once you go to in place mass, you just give OK here. You can give rename or else you just give OK. Then so what I will do, I will just select the line here. So just go to line. So once you go to line, here in the placement plane, you need to create select a reference plane. In all the 4 reference planes, you need to create profiles. Okay, so I'll Okay, yeah, fine. So next you can control. Okay, so once you create this, so what you have to do, So once you create it, what you have to do, so we need to move this. So and then press tab couple of times so that it will select this void. Okay, so once you create it, to 0 degree and just go on giving the distance. So we need to select wood material, so you just go to wood, then I will go to south elevation. So what you need okay. Thank you. Bye bye.